Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hey, Mama. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. Yeah. You gonna smile? You gonna smile? You gonna smile? Yeah. Hello. Say good morning, everybody. I'm a big girl. See, I'm a big girl. Yeah. Oh, bless you. Bless you. She just had a bath, and this is the first time she's been in her bed by herself. I don't think she's liking it too much. I'm hoping the musical thing will put her to sleep. Oh, I'm sorry. Did it stop spinning? The dragonfly keeps getting stuck on the back of that thing. You was asleep? What happened? You was asleep in your own bed? Good morning. Oh, don't cry. She hears all y'all making all that noise. You can pick her up. Will you wash your hands? We're on our way to go to the base. We have to run some errands and stuff. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I didn't really show it with my fish tank. It kept going out. Like, I'd plug it in and it would just blow out all the electricity. So I wound up just giving all the fish away because I didn't want them to die. So what I'm gonna actually do is go get a betta fish today if I can find one, because I know they don't really require the filtration of the water. They just need their water changed out every now and then and replaced. So I'm just gonna get one betta fish and let him live happily in his giant world. You just dropped it? She just lost the phone.
No, wait. God, stupid headphones. Where in the...
I'm also meeting somebody on base to pick up these really cute baby shoes. Like I think it's 3 pairs of shoes that I'm getting from her. So I'm gonna go do that now too. So kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Where in the world?
You just really lost my phone? She lost my phone, guys. Check this out, guys. It's like people climbing on the side of the wall. Pretty cool, right? It's like a sports store. Beat that, Sports Authority. I'm pretty sure they'll be in the footage. Aren't those cute? Here. I don't want to drive and do this.
Okay, there.
It's already recording. It should be recording right now. So you should pay attention.
They're like fuzzy on the inside. Then where the other one? Where'd it go? You just read. Oh. Goodness. Not sure if you can see those shot. Oh, there we go. They're like bobs, or yeah, like bobs.
I wish your shoes. I wish I could get 3 pairs of shoes for you for $10. What's that? Her new comic book. Yeah, she's really into reading comic books. Like, she doesn't really like reading books. Only some books. What other books do you like to read? The Hunger Games.
Percy Jackson.
What about vampire stuff?
No.
I like vampire stuff.
Too girly for me.
Too girly. This traffic is ridiculous. I don't know if you guys can see up there. It's like backed up. I'm doing no miles on the speedometer. 0, we're stopped. I always choose the worst time to go out to this mall, or to this pet store. I should stop off at the mall too. But I always choose the worst time to go. 5 o'clock, rush hour Friday. It's no different in the States. No difference. This will be like the Del Mabry of Tampa. You know what I'm talking about? Hit the like button. Hey, my first kitty bath!
Oh, and by the way, this is my cat. Mine. All
This is the
mine.
only time I'm going to show you how to bathe her. So you better
And
know
her
how to-
name's Cupcake. I was thinking of cupcakes, by the way.
Or you can name her Pepsi.
No, Cupcake. Let's
You can tell them
test
what
out how-
happened. She pooped all in the box that we brought her home in.
Yeah.
Take the plug out now?
Let's test how waterproof this is.
No, not put it in the water.
Let's test how freezer-proof it is. Cupcake.
Hold on. She can jump out too. Watch.
Cupcake.
Final rings. Where's her towel?
Behind you is the brown one.
Make sure you're getting her.
Right
Where's it at?
there.
You gonna use my towel?
It's dirty.
What's dirty about it?
I just had to clean up the stuff in
The water spilled?
You're
It smells a little
okay.
moldy. Go get a what you call it from my room. Where Dre's stuff is. Watch, she's gonna jump out. Hey, mama. Come on, jump. No, it's too small. Something bigger. You hear her talking, going, "Meow." Hi. Look at that face. Oh, look at that face. Yeah, that's fine. All right, take her out and squeegee her up. Squeegee her. What was that? Squeegee the water off of her first before you put her in the towel. 'Cause you don't want extra water in the towel. So the water, however her fur is going, you just squeegee her down a little bit. There you go. Don't squeeze her too hard. Her bones are kind of soft, brittle. You just want to get as much water off as you can. Okay, now you put her in the towel. Put her in the towel. She's cold. You got to cover her up. And you might want to keep her in your bathroom where it's warm. Oh, hurry, because she's got claws. They need to be trimmed too a little bit. Put her in there. Ow! Don't let her scratch me. Okay.
Come here.
Ow. Okay, now you can go snuggle and you go dry her off.
her eyes. Let's see if Dre's on.
First reactions. First reactions.
Why is your arm up there?
Let me see.
Daughters.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Was he on this or was he on Google?
Yeah, he was on that because I wrote PewDiePie there.
How good is he always like catch his first impression? Crap! Okay, let's try Google. Jasmine got her, what is this, your second real pet? Because your first pet was a guinea pig?
Yes.
Bubbles. And now what? Cupcake?
Cupcake.
Food on the brain. Oh, he's not answering.